The classification of living things is an important concept in biology that helps us understand the diversity of life on Earth. In biology, living things are classified into different groups based on their shared characteristics, genetic makeup, and evolutionary history. This classification system provides a way to organize and compare different organisms, and it helps scientists study the relationships between different species. The main classification system used in biology is called the Linnaean classification system, which was developed by Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus in the 18th century. The Linnaean classification system organizes living things into a hierarchy of categories, starting with the largest group, called a kingdom, and moving down to smaller and more specific groups. There are 5 main kingdoms of living things: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Each of these kingdoms is based on the organism's characteristics and the way they obtain their nutrients. The Monera kingdom includes bacteria and archaea, which are single-celled organisms that lack a nucleus. These organisms are found in many different environments, including soil, water, and the human body. The Protista kingdom includes single-celled organisms like amoebas and algae. Some protists are autotrophic, meaning they can produce their own food through photosynthesis, while others are heterotrophic, meaning they consume other organisms for food. The fungi kingdom includes organisms like mushrooms, which are not plants but rather are decomposers that break down dead organic matter. Fungi can be single-celled or multicellular, and they play an important role in the ecosystem by breaking down dead plant and animal material. The Plantae kingdom includes all plants, which are multicellular organisms that make their own food through photosynthesis. Plants are found in many different environments, from deserts to rainforests, and they play a critical role in the global ecosystem by producing oxygen and serving as the base of many food webs. The Animalia kingdom includes all animals, which are multicellular organisms that consume other organisms for food. Animals are found in nearly every environment on Earth, from the deep sea to the highest mountain peaks. Each of these kingdoms is further divided into smaller and more specific groups, such as phyla, classes, orders, families, genera, and species. For example, within the Animalia kingdom, there are different phyla such as Chordata, which includes animals with backbones, and Arthropoda, which includes insects, spiders, and crustaceans. Understanding the classification of living things is essential to understanding the relationships between different organisms and their ecological roles. By learning about the different kingdoms and phyla, ecotourism students can appreciate the diversity of life and understand the importance of conservation efforts to preserve it. The classification system also provides a framework for scientists to study the relationships between different species and how they evolved over time.